मुश्किलें क्या चीज है मुश्किल कुशा के सामने.
Divine wisdom is truly remarkable, for God Almighty ordains specific circumstances in the lives of His chosen ones, through which they are granted the opportunity to witness and closely examine some of the evils within society that they will be later called upon to rectify. Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, but the promised Messiah ﷺ, is the just arbiter of this age. So, he not only resolved religious conflicts, but also provided guidance and counsel to a society beset by falsehood, injustice, and dishonesty. However, his contributions went beyond mere advice. He reformed society through his own exemplary conduct. During his lifetime, the promised Messiah ﷺ was required to appear before various courts of law in multiple capacities. He attended court during his employment, appeared as a witness, and represented his father as an attorney. In this series, we will examine the 8 lawsuits in which His Holiness appeared as a litigant. Of these, only in one case he appeared as the plaintiff, while the remaining 7 were initiated against him by his adversaries, requiring him to appear as a defendant. These cases encompass both criminal and civil lawsuits. The first lawsuit in this series is known as the case of the illegal occupation of property, which took place in 1877. The ancestral property of the promised Messiah ﷺ had been taken over by the Sikhs, and his respected father fought valiantly and expended considerable resources to reclaim it. As a result, part of the land was recovered. However, after the passing of his father, a man named Mirza Azam Beg filed a suit against Hazrat Ahmad ﷺ and his brother Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Qadir Sahib, seeking to recover the share of certain absentee co-sharers from their property. As the case entered the court proceedings, His Holiness Hazrat Ahmad ﷺ turned to God in supplication regarding the matter. In response, God Almighty revealed to him, "Ujibu kulla du'aika illa fi shurkaik." I shall accept all your supplications, except in the matter of your collaterals. Subsequently, the promised Messiah ﷺ informed his brother and other relatives that God Almighty did not desire their involvement in the court proceedings, and, therefore, advised them to refrain from pursuing this case. However, his brother Mirza Ghulam Qadir Sahib remained confident of a favorable outcome and chose to proceed with the defense in court. The promised Messiah ﷺ nevertheless distanced himself entirely from the case. In due course, the case progressed, and the defense prevailed in the lower court, but the judgment was overturned upon appeal to the chief court. The promised Messiah ﷺ was pleased that the truth of the divine revelation had been clearly demonstrated to all.
मुश्किलें क्या चीज है मुश्किल कुशा के सामने.
The promised Messiah ﷺ has mentioned the details of this case in his books Nuzul Masih and Aina Kamalat Islam.